listen, this one's for all the ones showing love. It's appreciated. Life's crazy, man. Hey, listen to the lyrics. Look.
Stay with me, don't fall asleep too soon. The angels can wait for the moment.
They can wait for a moment.
Stay with me, don't fall asleep too soon.
I won't.
The angels can wait for the moment.
Listen to the words. Look, don't cry for me when I'm gone. No pain and wasting tears. Our time will come one day, and I'm just confronting my fears. Though it's not I hope you're proud of where I've come. You see me grow and help me through, and there is no repaying you. I'm here and I feel like I'm delaying you, betraying you, and when I'm gone I hope that someone's saving you.
Stay with me,
I'm gonna stay, listen,
don't fall asleep too soon.
I'm gonna try not to.
Angels can wait for the moment.
They can wait, man, I swear.
Stay with me, don't fall asleep too soon. The angels
I'm gonna hold on.
for the moment.
I wanna see your face every time I come home, cause I can't leave you like this in this cold world alone. But in this life we're living, who knows when I'll be gone. I don't wanna leave you with what ifs held in for long. To the world, there's too much to prove, but sometimes I wonder what I really have to lose. And then I really see, it's not all about me. I wanna shield you from this harsh mad reality. It's real, look, life's risky sometimes, but really you gotta take chances. It's crazy, look.
Stay with me, don't fall asleep too soon. The angels can wait.
Listen to the words. To the world. Life's a game and you need to play it correct. Do the right moves and don't get caught up in loads of mess. Be calm, don't be stressed. Be sure to pass your test, stand your ground, and don't let others put you to the test. Life's